God is saying to you today, do not let your heart be troubled, for I am making all things new. I know that the world you live in is filled with pain, sorrow, and tears. The weight of loss, suffering, and heartache can feel unbearable at times, and it may seem as though the trials will never end. You may wonder how much longer you can endure, how many more burdens you must carry before relief comes. But hear this, my child. Your suffering is not forever. I am with you in the midst of it all, and I am working behind the scenes preparing something far greater than you can see right now. The day is coming when every tear will be wiped away, when mourning and pain will be no more. I am preparing a place for you where there will be no more death, no more grief, no more sorrow, no more loss. Though you face hardships now, I promise you that they are temporary. My plan for you is filled with hope, with healing, and with a future beyond what you can imagine. I know the depths of your heartache, and I see the struggles you face. But my love for you is deeper still. I am the God who brings beauty from ashes and joy from mourning. What you endure in this life will one day be transformed into something glorious. The tears you shed today will be turned into laughter tomorrow. The pain you bear now will one day give way to peace and comfort beyond comprehension. And when that day comes, you will stand in awe of my goodness and my faithfulness, knowing that I have been with you every step of the way. I am with you now, holding you close in your pain. I understand your suffering more than you know, for I walk this earth too. I felt the weight of grief, the sting of loss, and the burden of sorrow. But I overcame it all, and so will you. I am not a distant God who is unaffected by your struggles. I am the God who is right here with you, in the midst of your trials. I will never leave you or forsake you. My love for you is unwavering, and I will comfort you with the same comfort that I have received, so that you may share that comfort with others. I am preparing a place where you will be free from all things that cause you pain. One day, I will make all things new, and I will wipe away every tear from your eyes. Until then, trust in my promises. Know that the trials you face today are shaping you for the glory that is to come. Do not lose heart, for the best is yet to be. Keep your eyes on the prize, my child, and do not be discouraged by the temporary struggles of this world. They are but momentary afflictions compared to the eternal joy that awaits you. I am faithful to fulfill all that I have spoken. Every promise I have made to you will be kept, and every word I have spoken will come to pass. I have called you to a future filled with hope, and I am working in your life even when you cannot see it. Rest in the assurance that my plans for you are good, and I will never let you go. If you receive this promise today, comment, "God is making all things new," and share this message with someone who needs to hear it.